Imagine a world where video content rules, where brands and businesses are willing to pay video creators and editors huge sums for their services. Welcome to the reality of today. Video content, once a mere novelty, has now become a colossal force sweeping across various sectors of the global economy. Consider this. In the year 2021 alone, $87.1 billion were spent on video content production globally. That's a staggering increase from the $31.4 billion spent in 2018. With figures like these, it's clear that video content is not just a fleeting trend. It's an industry in its own right. And it's growing at an unprecedented pace. But what impact does video content have? Well, it's not just about the numbers. Video content has the power to communicate, to persuade, and to inspire like no other medium. It engages viewers in a way that traditional print media or even digital text can't. In fact, video engagement is 700 times higher than that of flyers. Think about it. When was the last time a printed flyer made you laugh, cry, or compelled you to take action? Probably never. But a well-crafted video? Now that's a different story. A quality video can evoke a range of emotions, tell a compelling story, and even change the way we view the world. And the impact of such content on businesses? It's significant. A captivating video can help a brand stand out in a crowded marketplace, drive customer engagement, and ultimately boost sales. It's no wonder then that businesses are willing to pay top dollar for quality video content. But don't just take our word for it. The proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the video. With the internet and social media dominating various sectors, the demand for video creators continues to rise. So if you're a video creator or editor, or even just considering dipping your toes into the world of video production, now is the perfect time. Who knows? You could be the next big thing in this booming industry. Now let's delve into the importance of video editing skills in this digital age. In a world where nearly every brand uses videos for advertising and video engagement is 700 times higher than traditional flyers, video editing skills have become invaluable. They're not just tools for creating content, but a passport to a world swirling with opportunities. Imagine this. The global expenditure on video content production has soared from $31.4 billion in 2018 to a staggering $87.1 billion in 2021. This tells us one thing. Businesses and corporations are willing to shell out substantial amounts for skilled video creators and editors. And with the ever-growing dominance of the internet and social media, the demand for video creators is not about to dwindle. On the contrary, it is set to escalate. Now, wouldn't it be fantastic if there was a way to harness these skills to make the most of this surge in demand? Well, there is. Enter the Video Editing Mastery course. This isn't just a course, it's a treasure trove of skills and techniques. It guides you on creating stunning videos, designing eye-catching logos and animations, adding compelling effects and text, and even the intricacies of removing backgrounds. But that's not all. The course also covers voiceovers and offers insights on how to monetize your video editing skills. It even provides access to a mentorship group and additional materials. And while the course is valued at $1,200, there's a limited time offer to access it at a lower price. The Video Editing Mastery course is more than just a course. It's a gateway to a world of opportunities. But what if you could access this course at a lower price? Imagine having the keys to unlock a treasure chest of video editing mastery without having to empty your wallet. That's exactly what StakeCut is offering. This platform is making the course, typically valued at a hefty $1,200, available at a significantly lower price. Now you might be wondering, how do I get this? Well, it's as easy as pie. Just follow the instructions displayed on the screen, which will guide you to a product link in the description box of this YouTube video. There, you'll find a gateway to free access to the product. Think about it, a world of video editing knowledge and skills, all within your reach, and all at a bargain. It's like finding a diamond in the rough, a golden opportunity that is now at your fingertips. Isn't it amazing to have such a golden opportunity at your fingertips? Leadway Media Channel is here to guide you through your video editing journey. We want you to be part of our community, a place where you can learn, grow, and share your passion for video creation. So, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tell your loved ones, family, and friends about us. Your shares across social media not only help our channel grow, but also allow us to reach more people who could benefit from these valuable videos. As we continue on this journey, you can expect more insightful and educational content. We're committed to providing you with the best resources and information, helping you to master your video editing skills. The world of video content is vast and constantly evolving, and we're here to navigate it with you. So continue to share, continue to learn, and together, let's create extraordinary videos that captivate and inspire. Would you like Leadway Media Channel to recommend more useful resources with super cheaper prices selling on www.stakecut.com? Let us know.